So we're pretty much done getting started. In the next module, we'll dive into the base syntax of Python. But I won't go there without letting you know how you get the most out of the course, because that is really important to me. You get the most out of the course by watching the videos. Now that seems obvious, but there's more than one way of watching videos. Make sure to watch them at your speed. If I'm going too fast, you can use the controls in the Udemy player to slow me down. If I'm going too slow, you can use them to speed me up. Also pause regularly. If you're coding along, which I strongly recommend, you might need to pause a video so you can catch up with me. Because if I take too long breaks, everyone who's not coding along will have a hard time and will get bored. So I'm trying to find the right balance. And therefore it's important that you adjust the speed, that you take pauses, and also that you sometimes rewind a video if there's a concept which is not clear. It's an on-demand course, so take advantage of this. This is really how you get the most out of that. So code along, that is something I do encourage you to do. Do the exercises I offer in this course. They are great for checking whether you really understood a certain concept, the things taught in a certain module. And of course, use the course resources. So all the source code I show is attached to this course. And not just one code attachment per module, but most of the time I have multiple snapshots per module. You'll find them attached to the last lecture of each module and download and compare them to your code. If there is something which is unclear, if you're facing some strange issue, then my code is really there to help you. The same goes for links which you find in the last lectures of each module. There I provide useful links to other resources which allow you to dive deeper, learn more, or look things up. So definitely take advantage of this too. Now, sometimes you just get stuck though, or there is something you don't fully understand. Ask in Q&A. I'm happy to help there. I do read and reply there regularly, so I do my best to provide quick help in Q&A. But if you can help our students, that's even better. Not just because you're helping me, but because I really mean it like that. This is the way how you learn the most. I guarantee you that this is an awesome way of learning way more. Because asking is super simple, but answering, solving a problem, that's difficult. And I can only encourage you to do that. It can be challenging to go out there and put your opinion out there and solve a problem and potentially be wrong. But what could happen? You're wrong? So what? Then you get corrected and you'll learn again. So definitely give that a try and answer in the Q&A section. You'll find a lot of problems there and solving them. That is something where you can learn a lot and at the same time also help other students. This is how you will get the most out of the course. Follow these steps and you should have a more than solid knowledge of the Python fundamentals and core concepts and how to write Python programs by the end of the course. And a nice side effect, you'll also have a very solid understanding of what the blockchain actually is and how it works. So with that, let's finally dive into the next module and start with the base syntax of Python.